This is the activity Practice with Phrases. Please start by putting your name and today's date at the top. Read the sentences and decide if they have a literal or non-literal meaning. Check the correct box. Then choose one of the literal sentence examples and one of the non-literal sentence examples. Write the phrases on the lines provided and draw pictures of their meaning. The girl often cries at the drop of a hat. Is this literal or non-literal? Put a check mark or an X in the bright box. When her mother dropped her hat in the puddle, the girl cried. Literal or non-literal? The dog was barking up the wrong tree when it begged for a treat from the grumpy old man. Mark your answer. The dog was barking up the wrong tree because the cat was hiding up the taller one. Mark your answer. The boy took a bite out of the cheese, but bit off more than he could chew. Mark your answer. When the boy volunteered to make a model of the moon out of cheese, he bit off more than he could chew. Everly was feeling under the weather, so she was unable to go to the science center. Everly got soaking wet when she stood under the weather machine at the science center. Here is where you will draw a picture of one of the sentences that you marked as literal and write a sentence. And here is where you will draw a picture for one that you marked as non-literal and write your sentence. Remember that sentences start with capital letters and end with punctuation.